In the world of kitchen cookware, finding a frying pan that checks all the boxes, durability, ease of use, safety, and versatility, can be challenging. Enter this GreenPan Dover Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 8-inch Frying Pan Skillet, a revolutionary product designed to elevate your cooking experience. With its toxin-free ceramic coating, diamond-infused durability, and ergonomic design, this skillet promises to make cooking healthier, faster, and more enjoyable. Let's dive into a detailed review of this kitchen essential. Why choose the GreenPan Dover Frying Pan? 1. Healthy cooking with a toxin-free design. One of the standout features of the GreenPan Dover skillet is its Thermalon ceramic non-stick coating, which is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that may release harmful fumes when overheated, this pan ensures your food stays safe and chemical-free. Whether you're preparing a quick egg scramble or sautéing veggies, you can cook with peace of mind, knowing your meals are healthy and toxin-free. 2. Durability. Reinforced with diamonds. Durability is crucial in any cookware, and the diamond-infused non-stick coating of this pan delivers exceptional strength and longevity. The diamond reinforcement not only improves the pan's resistance to scratches, but also enhances its heat distribution, ensuring evenly cooked meals every time. This feature is particularly beneficial for dishes like fried fish or delicate crepes, where uniform heating is essential. 3. Quick and even heating. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, the GreenPan Dover skillet heats up quickly and evenly. This feature saves valuable time in the kitchen, making it ideal for busy households or last-minute meals. Whether you're frying chicken or making a fluffy omelet, you'll appreciate the consistent cooking results. Ergonomic stay-cool handle. Cooking should be a comfortable experience, and the GreenPan Dover skillet excels in this aspect. Its stay-cool handle is ergonomically designed for a secure grip, reducing the risk of accidents while cooking. The handle's modern design also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Rivetless, snag-free interior. Say goodbye to frustrating food traps. The rivetless interior of this skillet ensures a smooth cooking surface, making cleaning a breeze. No more scrubbing away stubborn food particles caught in hard-to-reach corners. Oven-safe and versatile. This frying pan is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven. It's compatible with all stovetops except induction, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Handy pouring rims. The thoughtfully designed pouring rims make transferring sauces, gravies, or other liquids from pan to plate effortless. This practical feature minimizes spills and keeps your kitchen mess-free. Performance that stands out. The GreenPan Dover skillet isn't just about features, it delivers top-notch performance. From frying eggs without any sticking to preparing evenly browned pancakes, this pan proves its worth in every cooking task. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, yet it retains the strength to withstand frequent use. Why home cooks and professionals love it? The GreenPan Dover skillet caters to a wide audience, from home cooks to professional chefs. Its combination of health-conscious materials and high-end performance ensures it meets the needs of even the most demanding kitchens. Whether you're cooking for one or hosting a dinner party, this pan rises to the occasion. Caring for your GreenPan Dover skillet. To maximize the lifespan of this skillet, hand washing is recommended, although it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. A small amount of oil before cooking can further enhance its non-stick performance, ensuring effortless food release every time. The verdict: should you buy the GreenPan Dover skillet? The GreenPan Dover Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Frying Pan offers an unbeatable combination of health, durability, and convenience. Its toxin-free construction ensures safe cooking, while the diamond-infused coating delivers exceptional durability and even heating. Add to that its user-friendly features like the stay-cool handle and snag-free interior, and you've got a skillet that's perfect for daily use. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware collection with a pan that prioritizes health and performance, the GreenPan Dover skillet is a must-have. It's an investment in healthier meals and a hassle-free cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.